I'm Catherine. Welcome back to my channel.
Narrow streets and dusty roads I've lingered on for far too many years.
I've been really inspired by some of the 4th of July decorating that I've seen so far on YouTube. And so today I am just doing a little bit of a cleaning video, putting a couple first touches up of 4th of July decor. And I'm gonna share with you what I have seen in the stores, just a couple stores that I've been able to stop by: TJ Maxx, Dollar General, and I did go by Dollar Tree, but I don't have any video of that for you. I have seen that the 4th of July decor is already getting pretty picked over. So if you want to grab a few things, you better go now or you might miss your chance. But today what I'm sharing with you is just a little sprucing up my kitchen and dining room and putting some little touches of 4th of July in. I do have a beautiful bouquet of flowers, and so I stuck a flag in there. And I love how these little things just kind of set the tone for the season. This year, I've been really surprised how quickly the year is flying by. And so one thing that helps me slow down and enjoy the time we're on is a little bit of festive decor that just reminds us what time of year it is, and we get to enjoy that. So thanks for joining me for this one, and I hope you enjoy it. We'll start with checking out the things I found while I was shopping.
Narrow streets and dusty roads I've lingered on for far too many years. I wandered down the city, taking pity on myself through my fears. All this place ever gave me was a boot upon my face when I was down. Give me back my liberty, I'll take my first step to where I'm bound. And like an arrow I will soar through the air. I'll take you with me from this place of despair. Take me out to roam the world again. Take me out to roam the world. I was just a kid, but I was spending time with older company. Stories about travel costs, a longing to be born inside of me. And like an arrow I will soar through the air. I'll take you with me from this place of despair.
One thing that I did grab already is these really cute paper plates. I am looking forward to doing a little tablescape for 4th of July. We are gonna have family in town. My parents are coming to visit, and so we plan to make this 4th of July really special and do some extra touches. So I will be sharing later this week with you a actual 4th of July decorate with me, and I hope it gives you some inspiration for how you can make this 4th of July extra special for your family.
Take you with me from this place of despair. Take me out to roam the world again. Take me out to roam the world. Take me out to roam the world again. Take me out.
As I got busy cleaning, I knew I wanted to swap out the words on my letterboard, so this was the before, and I asked my daughter to change it out to "Where the Spirit of the Lord is, there is freedom." I love that verse. It was so encouraging to me, and she put it on the board, and then I put it up on the wall. I love how it turned out.
Every ocean, every sea, forever and a day for you and me. Look around here, wasted on a ship of fools. Take my hand, just remember you don't have to surrender to the ocean and the sea. There's forever and a day for you and me. Here's to the future, I'm feeling stronger. We do belong here, look to the sky. Here's to the sooner or later, the ocean and the sea. Forever and a day for you and me.
Quick, I'm gonna get this side of the counter wiped down, and then we're gonna get on to making our special treat to enjoy this week. I am making strawberry lime popsicles, and they turned out so good. But honestly, next time I might use a couple less limes and a little bit more sweetener because they were pretty sour. The way that we dealt with that is some of us just enjoy the sour lime strawberry taste, but some put a sprinkle of trechas, the chili powder that you can put on fruit and stuff. That is so good. So if you live in an area with a lot of Hispanic community, then you probably had paletas with chili or chile. And so when we go to Mexico, or when sometimes around here, we get these type of fruit popsicles, and sometimes they have chili on them, and they're delicious. So that was kind of what we did with our strawberry lime popsicles. But anybody can make popsicles at home. It's as easy as putting juice in popsicle molds, but sometimes it's extra special to make it with real fruit, and then you have little fruit chunks in it. They were delicious. The kids loved them.
The ocean and the sea, forever and a day for you and me. Forever.
These star molds make it extra special. I love them. I don't remember where we got them, and I could only find 4 of the molds. So of course the younger kids hurried to get the stars, and the older kids let them do that. So that's special.
When you won't call me, say, if you release me, we've got a long way down from here. I'm so tired of running away from fear, waiting for the fire to take us on. It's time to make it real before it's gone. We could fall or just face it, break it off, or let it take us. And if we're gonna make
So thanks for joining me for this one. I hope that it was encouraging for you. We all have to take care of our homes, and it's fun just to put in a little bit of extra care and put some finishing touches on things. You see that I keep most of our decor pretty simple, so there's not a lot to take care of since this is such a high traffic area and gets a ton of use. But it is really fun to bring in little touches of the season and get to enjoy that. So I hope if you have stayed this long, you will hit that subscribe button, and you will come back for more in another video. And remember, a like if you like this video always helps my channel, and I really appreciate it. So thanks for joining me, and I will see you next time. Bye.
we've got a long